Hey guys, JT here from VIP Auto Accessories. Today we are looking at the Bad Bronco emblems for all those 2021 Ford Broncos out there. So these will fit any of those 2021 Ford Bronco models. This is the gloss version of the X-ray styled bucking Bronco. This would actually be replacing that bucking Bronco that you'd see on the back of those Broncos out there. I really like this. This is definitely going to be catching some eyes, especially if you're out there in the sun with all that reflection going on. And then we've got the matte version of that. Really like this one. And you can see the type of packaging that they have here. It's really simple, yet kind of pairs well with the design of these emblems themselves. So yeah, this is the matte black version. And, you know, it's going to still have a little bit of that shine if you're not trying to go a little too aggressive. I find a lot of people, there's a big niche for matte out there. And what you'll see on the back is there is actually an automotive grade 3M adhesive. So it is going nowhere. You don't have to worry about that. It's also going to withstand all those outside elements, all the, you know, downpours of rain and all that stuff. For those of you out there who have the Sasquatch package with the Ford Broncos, why not put a cherry on top and add this to your vehicle? This is actually going to be something that would be replacing the trim stickers found on the front quarter panels. You don't have to put that there if you don't want to. I mean, these can go on any of the Broncos. I mean, heck, you can put it on any vehicle you want. Some people might put it on like a beer fridge, toolbox, you know, wherever you like. But yeah, so this is the Sasquatch. Really love the way that this one looks. But yeah, so that's the Bad Bronco emblems. You can get them at VIPAutoaccessories.com. Go ahead and get yourself some today.